welcome to Westvale Community Centre. This is the entrance to our lovely community garden, so come on in, we're going to go for a look-see. I just want to tell you a little bit about our garden here at Westvale. We have 50 plots. We have 5 community groups that garden here. The others are gardeners, community gardeners. They don't have space at home to garden, but still would like to garden, perhaps teach their grandkids and kids a little bit about their culture. Some of these vegetables you cannot buy at our regular supermarket. It's about keeping that culture and keeping that tradition going. Okay, so we're here with the lovely Giuseppe now. So can you tell me what you've planted and what you're picking, what's ready?
A bit of everything. Peppers. Yeah, beautiful. Broccoli. Yes. I've got more broccoli growing. Nice. Lettuce, fennel, radicchio, which is an Italian lettuce.
Like a lettuce, yeah.
The red ones.
Yes, beautiful.
Eventually will be good.
Yes, yes.
And now winter comes, the broad beans.
Yes.
Garlic, eventually onions.
Nice, nice.
Everything in the season.
I like what you've done because you've got ready to go and ready to pick.
And ready to plant.
Nice. I like it, Giuseppe. I like it.
That's my doing. That's what I do all the time.
You enjoy coming to the garden, yes?
I love it.
It's good.
If you take this away from me, I'm dead.
Oh, I know. I hear that all the time. I love it too. It's good to get our hands dirty.
I spend my time here. I get my hands very dirty.
Yes.
Being a barber, I should know have rough hands.
That's it.
But I enjoy it. It's nice.
It's good. It's good.
Hi, George. How are you? So the yellow peppers. Can hand over to you.
Yes. Yes.
Not be no trouble.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
We drop.
Now I'll give you a couple of red ones and maybe some green ones.
Giuseppe, they're sweet, yes? These ones.
Yeah. Supposed to. I don't plant hot stuff.
No, no.
How do you eat these, Giuseppe?
Look, you can do a lot of things with this.
Yeah.
What my wife does with this, we stuff them.
Oh, stuff them?
With rice?
Rice, of course.
I'm very lucky at Westvale to have little areas like this. So it's like a melting pot that our lovely community gardeners have added to, and we've added to. We've got different things like a bit of lemon mint, and yes, there is such a thing. If you have a little bit of a rub of that, that releases the aroma, and it's absolutely beautiful. There we go. So if you give it a rub, it just releases a bit of that aroma. Okay, moving on, we've got a few wild marigolds. Some people don't like them, but they're actually very good for bringing out bees. We need bees and we need flowers to make our gardens grow. So we are very lucky to have a lot of mixture of plants and flowers around our community garden. We've got lavender at the end. Okay, so this is Mr. Z, and he is responsible for these fantastic raised garden beds, which are the newest addition to the Westvale Community Garden. They were created by a partnership between Australian Multicultural Services and Westvale Community Centre Garden. And the lovely Mr. Z constructed these. We will go into more detail next week because we are going to fill these and be talking about healthy soils. So tune in next week